Welcome to this new module, and in this module we will explore Firebase, a complete backend cloud solution provided by Google. And using the services of Firebase, we will create a telescope-based e-commerce app, and we will basically create two apps, one for admin and one for user, so that admin can add the telescopes, manage the telescopes, and view other things like orders and users, where in the user app, user will be able to view the telescopes, explore the telescopes, add telescopes to the cart, and do other stuffs. First of all, let's look at the topics that we will learn or you will learn in this module. Like I said, we will explore Firebase, and Firebase basically provides many services. But out of those, we will put our concentration to mainly these topics like Firebase authentication. Using this service, we will authenticate our users to our app. Also, we will use the Firebase Cloud Firestore. So this is the database that we will use to save our data. And this is not like a MySQL database that we used in our virtual visiting card app. So this Cloud Firestore database is like NoSQL database, and this is document based. And inside each document will persist data in a key value pair format. Also, we'll explore Firebase storage, where you can put any files like images, audio files, video files, normal files, etc. And we will also use Firebase messaging to send notifications to our app. And also we'll use Cloud Functions to trigger the notifications based on the events, for example, the database events. So like I said before, we will build an e-commerce app based on Telescope product, and we will have two apps, admin and user. In the admin app, admin will add the telescope details and maintains and update the telescopes, manages users, view orders, and etc. And in the user app, user will be able to see the telescopes, add the telescopes to the cart, update cart quantity, place orders, view their orders, manage profiles, etc. And like I said before, both the apps requires authentication so that the services provided by Firebase can only be used by the authenticated users. Now I want to show you the final output of our two apps that we are going to build throughout the two modules. So in the first module, we will build the admin app, and in the second module and our last module, we will create the user app. But I want to show you the final output of these two apps. So these are our two apps. This is the admin app and this is the user app, and our apps will look like this after we finish the two modules. We'll build the user app in the next module, but this is the output of the two modules, and we're going to build these two apps. So let's talk about this admin app. And whenever this app is opened, admin has to put credentials to use these applications. And when admin is logged in to the system, admin will see a dashboard where few items are added, like to add the telescope, to view the telescopes, and the brands and orders and users, etc. So if admin wants to add a telescope, he has to first go to this add telescope, or maybe admin has to first add few brands. This can be done simply by clicking this floating action button, and then admin will provide a brand name and click OK, and that brand will be saved in our Cloud Firestore database, and immediately we will see the brand in this list. Then admin can add telescopes by going to add telescope page, and here admin has to select the image either by capturing the image or by going to gallery. After selecting the image, admin has to provide few information like the telescope type, the mount type, and focus type, and etc. After filling all the information, admin has to press this button, and first of all, the image will be saved to Firebase storage. And after that, we will get the download URL for that image, and then we save the telescope in a different collection. Admin can view all the telescopes by clicking this tab. And these are the telescopes that I have already added throughout the project. And if admin wants to see the details of any telescope, then admin can go to details page, and from here admin can add multiple images for a specific telescope, and admin can add the description. If there is any description available, then admin can simply click this and show the description in a separate dialog box. And also admin can edit the price, the discount amount, and the total stock. After admin adds this telescope, admin also can view the orders that users make, and this is the order list, and this is sorted by the time. That means the latest order is at the top. And if admin wants to see the details of any order, he can simply click and see the details information over here. Also, admin can see the users that has been subscribed or using the user app over here. And this is the user app, and also user has to provide information or login or register to use this app. For admin app, we didn't provide any registration because it is not appropriate that we provide a registration mechanism for our admin app, because if we do that, then anyone who has this app can register and become an admin. That's why I didn't provide any registration mechanism in this admin app. But in our user app, we will provide both the login and registration mechanism. And also user can log in or register to this app by using their Google account. After user signed in by either this email password or the Google sign-in mechanism, if I click this, then I will be signed in to this app. And now user will be able to see the telescopes that admin previously added. And user can click any of the telescopes and go to the details page and see the details information. User can also provide rating for any of the telescopes. And also, if user thinks that he's going to buy this product, then user will add this product to cart. Then user can go to the cart page either from here or from this navigation item over here. So let's click this, and this is the item that user previously added to the cart. From here user can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity as well. And then user will go to the checkout page and provide the delivery address information. Also can select the payment method. This is just two random radio buttons. I'm not going to implement the real payment gateway, but it's a very easy task, and I will provide options that anytime you can actually add any payment gateway in your app. And also in this page, the product or cart information, the total items in the cart are shown in this page. And also user has to provide the delivery address over here. And now if user places this order will be placed, and user or maybe admin will get a notification. And to do that, admin app must be in the background. So I am putting this admin app to the background. And now if I place another order, for example, let's buy this telescope, and if I place order, and after some time you see a notification has been arrived in this admin app, and it says new order, you have a new order. And whenever admin clicks this notification, first of all the dashboard will open, and then we will wait for 3 seconds, and then this app will redirect our admin to the specific telescope details page. And also in the user app, user can go to his profile page and edit some of the information. Also user can go to the orders page, where user will see the orders that he or she made only. So these are the orders that this user had made. These are some information at the header, and also this list are expandable so that user can see the others order details information. So these are the two apps that we are going to build throughout these two modules. Now let's go to the next lecture where I will discuss about Firebase, and I will talk about Firebase and its services, what services Firebase actually offers to us, and the pricing and other stuffs. So see you in the next lecture.